Hey everybody, today I'm going to clean my sneakers because I recently got slime on them and they're gonna look brand new, which is one thing that I'm happy about. But the sad thing is I got slime on them, so I'm gonna have to clean them hard. And it's late at night, so yeah. I don't think you guys want to see the bottom of my shoe. But that's also what we're cleaning, probably. I want one person to unsubscribe from my channel, just one person. And if you know that I mean you, unsubscribe. Like, I don't want you to be my subscriber and I'm not subscribing to you. I'm just kidding. Because I want to be nice to my enemies instead of, rude. Because then I don't want anybody ending up crying and whatever. Because then that just brings drama back to everybody. And it's also going to lead to my friend, because some person asked my friend to do something, to ask me a question, and I don't want it to be on my friend because that's one of my friends, and I won't let her get hurt ever because she's my friend, and I'm not letting any of my friends get hurt by someone that made them do something. So I'm not gonna let her get hurt. If she, I'm not gonna let a teacher or principal yell at her. It's just not right. So if they gotta yell at her, they gotta yell at me. Same for my other friend. If they gotta yell at her, she's gonna yell at me. Because guess what? I don't care. I just don't want drama. That's all I don't want. Wait 1 second. Anyway, let's continue doing. Anyway, I now am cleaning these little quarters that I hate very much, because that's where the slime gets stuck. But these are gonna look brand new. I might have to put, okay, this is the difference. Which one's better? This one that I just cleaned, or this one? This one looks brand new. This one looks old, because this one's like gray, this one's black. So, no, I already got them dirty. No, how do I do this? How do I do this so easily? Their shoes, that's how. Oh god, okay. We're just gonna put that to the side and do this one. Gotta untie it.
Well, let's go.
Wait. Okay, this is gonna be disgusting. Guys, this is not gonna be my friend. I need to switch sides. Mommy, should I do my nails now?
No, not today, honey. You can do it in the morning.
Okay. In the morning before school?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't believe I'm up at 10 o'clock on a school night. Because I like to go to sleep earlier.
Yeah.
Sorry, I have to clean my shoe. I got slime on it. You could throw out that slime if you want to.
I ain't got the bag in here. Do that tomorrow. Just leave that there.
But it's going to come out and be all over there.
Yeah, that's alright. That's okay.
But you're going to be mad. This is gonna look so brand new. I'm gonna be so happy when I'm done. I have 2 minutes left of this video. In a second, it would probably be 1 minute. Hopefully I can record longer. Okay. I wish someone would help me instead of sit there. It's on my shoelaces. God. Long night for me.